Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create dependencies in Notion. This feature is incredibly useful for project management as it allows you to visualize how different tasks relate to each other and ensure that work flows in the correct sequence. First, open your existing Notion workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the page that contains the database you want to work with. This could be a project tracker, task list, or any database where you need to establish task relationships. Now look at the top left of your database where you'll see the current view name. Click the plus button right next to it. This opens up options for creating new database views. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Timeline. Adding a timeline view is essential because dependencies are specifically designed to work within this visual format, making it easy to see how tasks connect over time. After selecting Timeline, you'll want to name your new view something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. This helps keep your workspace organized, especially if you're managing multiple projects or databases. Before moving forward, make sure your database has at least one date property configured. The timeline view relies on dates to display tasks properly, so this step is crucial for everything to function correctly. Next, click on the three dots at the top right of your timeline view. This opens the View Settings menu. From here, select More Settings or Properties depending on your Notion version. Look for the Dependencies option and toggle it on. This activates the dependency feature for your timeline, allowing you to start linking tasks together. Now comes the actual dependency creation. In the timeline, click on any task or item you want to create a dependency for. Once you've opened that task, find the dependencies property field. You'll see a plus button or a small circle that you can interact with. Click the plus or drag the circle to link this task to another task it depends on. This establishes the relationship, indicating that one task must be completed before the other can begin. Repeat this process for all tasks that have dependencies. As you create these connections, you'll notice lines appearing on your timeline that connect your tasks visually. These lines make it immediately clear which tasks are blocking others and how your project sequence flows. If you need to adjust or remove any dependencies, simply click on the connecting lines in the timeline view. This gives you full control to modify relationships as your project evolves. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.